Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So today I am back with a new loot video guys. So I have updated a new loot in my Telegram channel. So there is a big discussion going on within my subscribers. So it is not a problem. So I just showed you this profit and something like this. So everyone are now curious about how would we get this. So firstly, they didn't even believe. So how will we get this much profit? Everything OTP नहीं आ रहा, गांड मराओ ये ड्रॉप बहुत टाइम वेस्ट है. So everything ये है भाई. So I would be showing you what is the reality behind this. Okay. So if you don't like the video, don't even see the video. There is not at all a problem. Okay. So if you don't like the video, please hit that unsubscribe button. Okay. So this is an invalid Lunar Crush sharing link. As you can see, we have opened the site. So let us try it with our email ID and everything. So click on login. So I am showing you unlimited trick guys. Okay. So let us give our email ID. So it will not work for the first time, I know. So if you are really lucky, it would be working. Okay. So if you are not lucky, it would not be working. So make sure you are lucky. We'll just check it for 1 or 2 minutes. So if it does not appear, so let us try it again. No, we didn't even get it right now. So it would take at least 2 to 5 minutes guys. If you are really frustrated, please don't participate in this loot. If you really want to have this loot, you can really participate in this loot. So I would be directly redirecting you to the email page when I will get. So you can see the time is 7:40 right now. Okay, I would be redirecting to the time where I get this OTP. Okay. So getting back to the video guys, so as you can see I have got a mail. So it took around 4 to 5 minutes. I got it at 4 minutes. Okay, just click on sign in the device. So after clicking on sign in the device, it would be verifying the secret space commands and it would be verified. Okay, so I am doing with a new account so that no one has a problem. Okay, so I have already verified it guys. So it can show that it is confirmed. Okay, so let us go back. So let us try with this DZEEAP. Okay, so I think I just had closed the window, so I just need to open it once again. So the code is incorrect. So we have seen that it is coming NJ8RE2. Okay, NJ8RE2. So everything has been verified. Santochina, everything has been verified. Continue. So what we have to do from the first step, please listen to this very carefully guys. So you will not have a problem in the login and everything. Firstly, add cryptocurrency holdings. You just need not add something like, you just add 56756. Click on save holdings. You have earned 25 points towards Luna tokens. Can you see that? Okay, so get back. After this, create an alert. Okay, so firstly just search any coin. Okay, click on next, add method. Okay, click email. Okay, or telegram. Okay, API limit reached. So okay, code has been sent. So I think it would be coming here. Just check. so we haven't received it yet. So after receiving, we would be typing whatever the code we will get. So we just need to add alerts of some coin, any coin. It need not be Ethereum or something like that. It can be any coin. So how to do unlimited accounts? This is clear now, guys. So I would be showing you. So firstly, you need to connect your Twitter. You need to add a coin like Ethereum, Solana, everything, anything you can add, and you need to set up an alert so that for each task you would be getting 25 lunar tokens. So don't miss this loot, guys. So many of them told this is fake and something like that. I would be showing you the proof, okay, including the proof, guys. So many asked that is it true or something like this, okay. So I am showing you the proof, okay. So 22 is today's date and 10 a.m. is the time, okay. So at 9:54 we had withdrawn and lunar has been sent at 10:10 a.m. It just took around 10 to 15 minutes, guys. And you can see this is the app. It is Zill app. I would be giving in my Telegram channel. You can download it from here. So after getting these tokens into the Zill app, just go to Zill Swap. I would be showing you that also. It is very easy, guys. I would be giving the link. So it has an inbuilt Zill Swap like Pancake Swap only. You can swap it to Zill tokens and just go to Binance. So you just need to copy the address of ZIL token. So it is already listed in Binance. You just need to copy the deposit address and you need to send ZIL tokens. So as you can see, 44. So 44 lunar is nothing but, I will be showing you how much it is worth, okay. So it is worth around, the current price is around $12.5. If it is $550, I would be showing you in INR. So this would be the profit from one airdrop. So if you do unlimited accounts, you would be become a lakpati in 1 to 2 days. You just need to follow the task, guys. Every point which would be counted here in this lunar crush, okay. So you can see the points. Sometimes you would be seeing 0. You just don't care about it, guys. You just keep collecting points because due to high volume of usage of users, so this is a bit tricky, guys. So I have already posted in my Telegram channel too, so do not worry about this. So in this they have already announced it. We are aware of the issues relating to the server performance and points, the balance showing 0. This is being investigated by the Lunar Crush team and are currently working to resolve this. So do not miss this airdrop, guys. If you like the video, please hit that like button and share the video, guys, so that someone would be benefited. Thank you so much.